Start slicing an onions and within few seconds our eyes begins to feel the bone of it. And you know that is not an ordinary bone. I have 2 years of experience and that was just like when I start learning how to cook. That means I have that experience. But why that happens? We don't cry while we chopping potato, tomato or any type of different vegetables. Why only onion make us cry? And what are different types of tears that we know? What's up guys, this is Bright Science YouTube channel and we are back with another video with another interesting questions for you. Today I have taken the topic about onion and in this video we will be able to learn that why and how onion make us cry, and in this video we will be able to learn about that how to prevent it as well. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe our channels and press the bell icon button so that you can update with our every latest video that we make. So if you done it, then let's get started. Let's start knowing about tears. So what are different types of tears that we know? Actually three types of tears, like emotional tears, the basal tears and the reflexive tears that we know. And what about emotional tears? Actually when we cry emotional tears as a response to our emotional stress or when we suffering and in physical pains, that can be released. But what about basal tears? Basal tears are like a protective films that can typically cover the eye. After crying, you may experience sore eyes, and that is because of basal tears. Emotional tears tend to be more watery and can be temporarily dilute or maybe wash away the basal tear films when you cry. And that is the result of dry and the painful eyes. Now come to the reflexive tears, and that result of dust particles. Irritating substance that irritate our eyes, common things like smoke, strong wind dust, and yes, some onion vapors too. So what is about onion that causes such a tear jerking reaction? That is, when an onion goes under the knife, cells are ruptured, which causes a chemical reaction. That chemical return known as, what is that? Oh my, I can't, better not to pronounce it. You guys go ahead, pronounce it. Actually, it stimulates our eyes' lymphadenal glands and so that they can release the tears. This chemical synthesis is released into the air when we cut an onion. The synthesis enzyme converts the amino acid sulfoxide of onion into the sulfuric acid, and that resulting gas is highly irritating to the most of our eyes. When the eye processes irritations, neurons set off all kinds of flares to the brain, and that is why that is asking for help to flushing out of invaders. Okay, all that happened and have nothing to do about it. The question is, how can we keep from crying while chopping an onion? That is the question's answer we want. We can reduce or prevent eye irritation while chopping an onion, like in several ways. The first way is that chopping an onion under a running water or a submerged in a tube of water, that will prevent the gas from spreading and reaching our eyes. Sticking an onion in a freezer or in a fridge will going to limit the enzyme's ability to activate, and that will reduce the amount of irritant gas. Lastly, start chopping from top to bottom, and that is because onion root has the highest concentration of enzyme, and that is cutting from top to bottom will less your exposure to the stronger enzyme that will release. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you guys learned something from it, and to contribute a big support to us, to make sure to subscribe our channel and never forget to share with your friends. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.